Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start re-enrolling Face ID now. First, make sure battery is above 20% and you've wiped the True Depth camera clean. Once ready, remove any case or screen protector that could interfere, then go to Settings, tap Face ID and passcode and authenticate with your passcode. Begin the Setup Face ID process. Follow the on-screen circle prompts. This initiates the face map capture and ensures the sensors can see your full face without obstruction before the detailed scans begin. Now you'll perform the two detailed scans that build your face map. Hold the phone about 10 to 20 inches away and position your face in the circle. Start the first scan and move your head slowly to complete the rotation. Once the first pass finishes, tap Continue and repeat for the second scan. This captures different angles. Make sure lighting is even and remove sunglasses or masks so the system reads your eyes, nose, and mouth clearly. Doing this carefully improves recognition speed and reliability. Finish by testing Face ID. Lock the phone and unlock it and try authenticating in an app like the App Store. If it fails, go back to Settings and choose Reset Face ID, then re-enroll. This clears partial maps and often fixes issues. If problems continue, make sure the True Depth camera area is unobstructed, restart the phone, and update iOS to the latest version. Updates can include sensor fixes. If nothing helps, contact support or schedule a hardware check for the camera module.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.